How's it going, guys? Come with me to install CSL splitters on my E46 M3. Let's go. All right, first thing you guys want to do before you're doing this stuff is you want to prep the surface and clean it. So I have some quick detailer today and just a rag, so let's clean this thing. Kind of want to put a lot on there. All right, the next thing you guys want to do is jack up the car because we're going to need some space to work with when we're putting the splitters underneath the bumper. All right, next thing you guys want to do is before you're putting the splitters on your car, you want to have some 3M tape, double-sided, and we're just going to put it on like so. Going to start on each side, wheel it out. Like that. All right, we're gonna do a little bit of mock-up now that we have the 3M tape on. So I'm just gonna hold it up and just kind of see what works the best. And it looks like somewhere about here is gonna work good. So next thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna peel off the 3M tape and then stick it on, and then I'm gonna go underneath the car and start drilling in some self-tappers. All right, I'm just gonna stick this on now. It's looking good on that side, so I'm gonna get underneath the car now and then we're gonna start drilling in some self-tappers. You drilling like so. All right, guys, let me know. Should I keep the CSL splitters or should I go with the full carb and let them set and like just a full lip instead of just the splitters?